You know, one of those times where you want to copy and paste multiple text on your Android device. Let's say you're trying to fill a form and you do not want to switch from one app to another multiple times just to copy and paste. In this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to do this on your Android phone. Now, if you're using the global version of Android phone, this may have already come pre-installed on your device. If not, you can open the App Store and then in the search section here, you want to search for Gboard, which is Google Keyboard. You can go ahead and install or update the app. Once installed and updated, you can go ahead and set it up. You can open the text input section for the keyboard, and this will open the keyboard, the Google keyboard. Now on your keyboard, you want to tap on the four squares in this section. Tap on the clipboard function, and here you'll be able to toggle on clipboard. Go ahead and toggle on this, and this will enable your device clipboard. Now the next time when you're copying a text, you can go ahead and highlight multiple text, copy them independently. When you go to paste the text, tap on the four square again and tap on clipboard. You see the multiple text you've copied in this section. You can go ahead and tap on it to enter it, and they will be pasted to your text. You can also do other things such as hold down on it and you see paste, pin, and delete. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.